Hello, I am Flash Isaac, and you are welcome to the Flashlearners series, where we solve past and likely questions for your examination. And at the end of this series, your life will never remain the same because I shall be releasing a whole lot of episodes. In this series, I will be making use of the Flashlearners application. Simply visit Google Play Store or flashlearners.com to install the app. Are you watching on YouTube? I've shared the link to both the mobile and desktop app below. Download and let us begin. A swimming competition usually takes place in the dash. Where else, if not pool? Pool is correct. Technology simply means the application of scientific ideas in solving problems. When you apply scientific ideas to solve problems, you are referred to as tech guy, or you are into the tech world. Science is knowledge obtained from observation of things. You observe, you bring out theory, hypotheses, and laws. Then bringing all those theories, hypotheses, and laws into real life to make something. Then you say, okay, this is tech. Science will solve, bring ideas. Tech will give you this phone, which is knowledge from science to solving problems. And this is, which of the following is not made from rubber? Rubber, balloons, bicycle tube, rainbows, razor blade, and tire. Razor blade is not made from rubber, so others are made from rubber. When a car is faulty, the first step is to dash. A, correct. B, inspect. C, locate. D, predict. And E, replace. You are driving. You suddenly notice an issue. What do? You stop to check what is wrong. Is it tire? Is it engine? Is it oil? Is it fuel? Is something leaking? In that case, you are inspecting. So after inspecting, you are able to locate the problem. Then you say, okay, what should we do? Should we repair? Should we correct? Or should we replace? So the first step is actually inspection. You inspect what is wrong, which is option B. This is the part of the cell phone that displays readable information is the dash. In this cell phone, the part that is displaying this information you see is the screen. So you can call it screen, or you refer to it as display. Display, they display readable information. Battery is to power the phone. Earpiece is when you plug an earpiece, you see sound in your ear. So you play sound with your earpiece. Microphone is to record audio. So you want to record. How are you? So you send voice note to people. Sending that voice note, you are not using speaker, you are using the mic. So each phone, they have mic. Then screen is the correct option. And this question says, which of the following is not an input device? Look at something. Computer is an electronic device that is capable of accepting data, processing data, and bringing out the result as output. When a computer accepts data, it accepts it using input devices. They are the devices used to put something into the computer to communicate with the computer. Example, keyboard. Use keyboard to type into the computer. Enter, do this. A, enter. B, enter. Or mouse. This is a mouse. So use it to click, to double click, right click, or drag. Do this. You are communicating with the computer. In fact, mic, you talk. Hello, I'll be coming tomorrow. Okay, it's fine. That is mic. You are using to put information into the computer. Why output devices? You use them to get results. Like speaker, you hear from somebody. Output. Screen, you see result, readable information. Output. Okay? Printer, you print something out. That is output. Now, before I answer this question fully, they said computer is an electronic device, which means it is not an electrical device. Electrical is different from electronic. So in summary, electrical devices, they are devices that use very high power. They require light to be high to work. For example, if no matter how small your gen is, you can carry your DVD or your DSTV. But small gen, they will say, this gen cannot carry fridge. It cannot carry AC. It cannot carry this. So all those heavy appliances, they are electrical devices. and air conditioner is an electrical device, fridge is. But the ones with low power, like your computer, laptop, phone, DVD, in fact TV, those are electronics. They don't require high power to operate. So computer falls under electronic devices. And processing data. The processing of data is done with the processor. You can call processor CPU. But then we have another one called GPU. It's for graphics. If you play game a lot, you do video editing, animation, you need graphics processing unit. You use the GPU. So examples of central processing units, like for phones, you Exynos, MediaTek, Snapdragon. They are laptop mobile processors. For laptop, you see Apple M1 processor, Intel Core i3, Core i5, Core i7, Core i9, then AMD Radeon, and so on. Those are laptop processors. You may not understand now, but just hear them, because with time, you will hear these things over and over again. You will remember, wow, I've heard this thing before. Therefore, input device, which means which of the following is an output device. Which of the following is not an input device simply means which of the following is an output device. A, camera. B, keyboard. Keyboard is an input device. C, monitor. Monitor is not an input device. D, mouse. Mouse is an input device. E, scanner. Scanner is an input device. And camera is an input device. You see the pictures in the environment, you are inputting it into your phone. That is camera. Remember, when you are using the camera, what you see on the screen, that is not camera, that is the display. So camera collects the information, the pictures around, then the processor processes it, then you see the result in your screen. So the camera itself is an input device. The one that is not input device here is simply the monitor. Monitor is screen. It is output device. Which of the following is regarded as the father of computer? Charles Babbage is the father of computer. Mark Zuckerberg is the father of Facebook. He owns Facebook, founder of Facebook. Steve Jobs, founder of Apple. Bill Gates, founder of Microsoft. So Microsoft Windows, founded by Bill Gates. Then, the device used to monitor activities in schools, homes, and offices is referred to as CCTV. CCTV. You might have you would have heard of CCTV. When you enter some offices or supermarkets or some exam halls, just look around. When you enter big places or offices, look around. You will see small camera like this. They will hang it somewhere. So in that small camera you are seeing, they are using it to view whether anybody is doing something wrong or they are robbing or what is going on. And in that CCTV camera, you see television in one room or two television. What is that television showing? That television is connected to this camera to see the result. Now it is only the TV that are connected that we see what is happening around, not all the TV. This is why it is called closed circuit television. In traditional television, you see the broadcasting, everybody can watch something or one channel around the world. But CCTV, it is restricted. Only this TV connected can see what is showing here, or only the phones or laptops connected can see what is happening around. We call it closed circuit television. So the device used to monitor activities in schools, offices, homes, and business premises is referred to as CCTV, closed circuit television.